Happy Hump Day, everyone. Quick video update for you on this Wednesday afternoon. It feels a little more like spring today, at least. It'd be nice to have a little more sun, but not too many complaints. After highs in the 30s yesterday, we've gotten into the 50s this afternoon. Here's a live look outside in Niles. Kind of overcast, but we are still dry along 422. It does look brighter down in Columbiana. Along the traffic circle, looks like a beautiful afternoon down there, with temperatures warming up. Over the last 20 hours, the warm front pushed through and flushed out the cold air, and we've risen fairly quickly today. We're up to 54 here at 2 p.m. after starting out around midnight in the mid-20s. Temperatures continue to rise then through the overnight. Some other backyard temperatures now. We're pushing 60 out to the west. Alliance, Minerva, Canton, Kent in the upper 50s, and that's where our air is coming from. So I think we'll top out in the lower 60s before the afternoon is through. And while it's not super windy, it is rather breezy. We're picking up some gusts to 24. Right now, it's gusting to 30 to 40 out towards I-71 and I-75 in central and western parts of Ohio. Here's a look at the radar loop. Now, we've had some thunderstorms so far today out in western Ohio, and a few of these bolts of lightning are being detected closer to Cleveland right now. The weather is quiet here locally, and I expect it to stay that way for at least a few more hours. Those thunderstorms to the west should not be a problem for us. Our high-resolution model here is a little overdone with the eastward extent of things mid-afternoon. I don't think the rain is this close to Youngstown. It's going to stay north and west. Better chance to get wet, though, as we head towards evening. Here's about 6:30 in the evening, starting to see some showers pushing in, and then it's just going to rain for a lot of the rest of the evening and heading through the overnight tonight. And we'll hang on to the showers tomorrow. We're probably going to pick up about a half an inch worth of rain by this time tomorrow. And I'll tell you, we may not be done with the accumulating snow just yet this year. We're going to keep an eye on a system that may or may not impact us Friday night. Might be a little lake enhancement involved, but this is more of what we call a synoptic snow. In other words, kind of just a general snow coming out of northwest Ohio, pivoting into eastern Ohio, western PA. There's a chance that someone gets an inch or two out of this late Friday into Friday night. So again, we may not be quite done measuring a little bit of snow just yet here in the valley. More on that, much more on that, on weather for Weather Geeks this evening on my weather blog and wfmj.com/weather and your Storm Tracker 21 app. Jess and Dana and I will be at the Giant Eagle in Boardman on Doral Drive, bagging groceries for a good cause this evening. So if you happen to be at that Giant Eagle between 5 and 7, come past and say hi and watch me flip cans of green beans like an expert. So that's coming up this evening. Look forward to seeing you there and on 21 News at 6 and 11.